Eat.
Are you enjoying that? Oh my goodness.
She's having great fun with
Better
it.
take that one off, that way she doesn't tip the whole thing over. But hold on to it. Oh my goodness. Wow.
She's having great fun.
She's like, I just want that cream cheese. I don't care about anything else, just the cream cheese. Is yours the lightly toasted one?
Hershey's. I'm videoing her.